Welcome to Travel Discovery. I am Lisa and I will be your host. Today we're going to answer the question, is travel health insurance necessary? Travel health insurance can come in handy if you need care overseas. Any of the resources that I mention, the links will be in the description. Travel health insurance is a special policy designed to cover medical expenses if you get sick, such as contracting COVID, or injured on a trip. A common question from those that do not travel often is if travel insurance is necessary. Some other topics that I will cover in this video are expenses of foreign medical care, where to get travel medical insurance, travel health insurance for older people, combining health and travel insurance. Whether you need travel health insurance depends on how likely you think it is that you might need medical care during your trip, how well your existing health insurance policy covers you when you travel abroad, and on your own ability to pay for medical care if the need arises, keeping in mind that this might require a long-distance medical evacuation. For most people, and particularly for people who are older or traveling to a less developed area, the answer is probably yes. Before you plunge into a travel insurance policy, check your existing health insurance. Some companies will pay what they refer to as reasonable and customary medical costs if you need care in a foreign country, which means you don't have to duplicate that kind of coverage in a travel policy. But pay close attention to what's not covered in your policy. Most domestic insurers will not pay to have you evacuated out of a foreign country for a medical emergency. The U.S. State Department says an evacuation can easily cost more than $50,000. If that's not a cost you're capable of paying or willing to pay for the consequences of something as simple and unpredictable as an auto accident, you might want to buy extra insurance. There are wide variations that exist from one country to another in terms of access to healthcare. If you're traveling to another country, it's essential that you understand how that country's healthcare system works, how your current health plan will or will not cover the cost of care you might need overseas, and what options are available to you in terms of supplemental travel coverage that you can buy for the duration of your trip. Websites offer a way to compare prices and coverage offered by a variety of providers. We'll look at some in a moment, and I'll let you know where to find them. One well-known and frequently used online travel insurance company is IMG Global. Another is USI Affinity Travel Insurance Services. Travel medical insurance is also available from some of the well-known insurers that offer standard healthcare insurance in the US, including Cigna Global, GeoBlue, and United Healthcare Global. So let's take a look at the company's websites that offer a good overview of the types of travel insurance available and how much the various plans cost. So simply go online and you can find these websites. The first I mentioned is IMG Global. Then there is USI Affinity Travel Insurance Services. Then we have Cigna Global. Next is GeoBlue. Then we have United Healthcare Global. Simply enter your information and you will get a quote. Older people should take particular note. Medicare does not pay for hospital treatment or medical care outside of the United States, except for a few very limited circumstances. That means that you'll be on your own unless you have other healthcare insurance providers or you buy a travel insurance policy. Some Medigap policies and Medicare Advantage plans provide foreign travel emergency healthcare coverage when you travel outside the U.S. So before traveling outside of the country, check with your supplemental plan or advantage plan regarding travel benefits. In addition to travel health insurance, you may want to consider travel insurance plans that combine travel medical insurance with coverage to protect your travel investment. So these are two different things. Things like lost luggage, cancellation of flights, and cruise line or hotel bankruptcy can ruin your travel plans. So along with your health insurance, travel insurance agencies can provide you with cancellation insurance, which may cover all or some of your costs. So hopefully you found this video helpful. All the resources are in the description. You can check those links out. So safe travels to everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. And let's see what we will discover next. Thank you for watching Travel Discovery.